Have you ever wondered why some people keep getting richer, even while they sleep, while others seem to work their whole lives without getting ahead? The secret lies in a concept that few truly understand: passive income. While most people work hard for their monthly paycheck, the wealthy have discovered a way to make money work for them, even while they sleep. And what if I told you that you don't have to be a millionaire to start? That there are accessible and smart ways to generate passive income and transform your financial life. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven strategies that the rich use to make money on autopilot. So, if you want to stop trading time for money and learn the secrets that can change your financial future, stick with me until the end. Before I reveal these strategies, we need to break some myths that stop many people from getting started. The first common mistake is believing that only millionaires can generate passive income. That couldn't be further from the truth. There are ways to invest and build income streams with very little money, and I'm going to prove that to you in just a moment. The second myth is thinking that passive income means easy money. Many people assume they just need to invest in something, and money will start falling from the sky. The reality is that every passive income stream requires some initial effort, whether it's time, knowledge, or a small financial investment. But once that structure is set up, money starts coming in automatically. And the third myth: it's too late to start. Many believe they missed their chance, that it takes years to see results. But I'm going to show you that the sooner you start, the better. And the good news is, there are strategies that generate results faster than you might think. Now that we've busted these myths, let's get straight to the point. The 5 best ways to create passive income and make money while you sleep. The first strategy is one of the most classic and powerful ones: dividend investing. Here's how it works. When you buy shares of solid, profitable companies, some of them pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders as a reward for investing. This payment is called a dividend, and it can be deposited into your account regularly without you having to do anything. The best part? You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares and compound your earnings over time. Companies like banks, utilities, and major retailers often pay reliable dividends. And you can start with a small amount. The secret is consistency and patience. The second strategy is perfect for those who like the idea of earning money from real estate, but don't have the money to buy a house or apartment to rent out. I'm talking about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. With REITs, you can buy shares in large real estate projects, like shopping malls, office buildings, and warehouses, and earn rental income without dealing with tenants or repairs. The biggest advantage is that REITs pay monthly rental income directly to your account, and with much less money than you'd need to buy a physical property. You can start with small amounts and gradually increase your investment over time. Now, let's talk about the third strategy: creating digital products. This is becoming more and more popular because it doesn't require a large initial investment and can generate recurring income for years. Think about this. Do you have a skill or knowledge that could help others? If so, you can turn it into an ebook, an online course, or even digital templates, and sell them online. The key here is to create something that can be sold over and over again without requiring additional effort. Unlike a regular job, where you get paid just once for your time, a digital product can bring in money every day, even when you're doing other things. The fourth way to generate passive income is through content monetization. Have you noticed that some people make money on YouTube, Instagram, and even blogs without directly selling anything? That's because these platforms allow monetization through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. If you enjoy a particular topic and create content about it, over time, you can start making money from views, commissions on sales, and even brand deals. The trick is to create valuable, evergreen content and understand how platform algorithms work to grow your audience. And the fifth strategy is one of the fastest growing today: automated businesses. This includes models like dropshipping, affiliate programs, and subscription services. In dropshipping, for example, you set up an online store and sell products without keeping inventory. When someone buys, the supplier ships directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. In affiliate marketing, you promote products from other people or companies and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. This model works well because you don't have to create a product, just promote something that already exists. Now, The big question: how do you put all of this into action? The secret is to start with just one of these strategies and commit to it for the next 30 days. Choose the one that makes the most sense for you, learn about it, and begin with what you have available. If you want to start investing, open an account with a brokerage and begin with dividends or REITs. If you prefer a more digital-focused approach, think about creating a digital product or monetizing a blog or YouTube channel. The most important thing is to take the first step. Now that you know how the rich make money while they sleep and how you can start to, the question is, which of these strategies will you try first? Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share it with a friend who also wants to achieve financial freedom. And, of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Take care.